Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Hello guys, welcome back with another amazing and interesting video. In this video I am going to explain how you can create a voting or a poll in your WhatsApp group. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. Okay guys, let's start the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Voting or poll can be created in a simple WhatsApp and on WhatsApp Business. Open WhatsApp and this is the group in which I want to create a poll or a voting poll. This voting poll can be created in any of your WhatsApp group in which you are present. Either you are an admin or a participant. So first of all, at the bottom this is the attachment. Click, and at the end of the menu there is an option poll. Click over it, and here you can click or type any of your required answer which you want to poll in the group. For example, who will be the next admin? This is the question, and here you can write your option. For example, option 1 is Nasir, option 2 is Ali, and option 3 is James. Whatever the number of options you can create, and then it is the send option. And here you can see the poll is created, and the participant can participate by polling by clicking on the name. You can see, and here you can see one or more option can be selected. You can select all, you can select 2, 1. You can cancel the option by clicking again the option, and you can see this the poll is asking select one or more option. So if you want to add only one selection in one poll, then again there is this option. Again go to attachment, at the end poll, add your question, and at the bottom of the options there is allow multiple answer. It is highlighted. Then if you want to add only one selection in one poll by one participant, you can unselect this option, then click send, and you can see only one option can be selected at a time. And the poll is also asking select one. It means this poll is created by selecting only one option at a time, and no second or third option can be selected. And if you want to unselect or cancel your selection, click again. And here you can see also view the votes, number of votes, by clicking here, and you can see Nasir got 1 vote and Ali and James vote up till now 0 votes, and after some time the number of votes can be increased or decreased. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.